Hello students. Today we are going to start with the syllabus of 9th standard mathematics part 2. We are going to start chapter number 1, basic concepts in geometry. The word geometry is generated from the Greek words geo means earth and metria means measuring. Point, line and plane are basic concepts in geometry. We cannot define them. Lines and planes are set of points. Line means straight line. Students, earlier we studied number lines. Now we are going to study coordinates of points and distance. Observe the following number line. The coordinates of D and E are 1 and 3 respectively. If we want to find the distance between these points, we have to subtract smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. So, we have to subtract 3 minus 1. So, we have to write distance between these 2 points D in bracket ED equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2. It is same as length ED equal to 2. Now observe point C and D. So distance between CD will be 1 minus minus 2 equal to 1 plus 2 equal to 3. As 1 is greater than minus 2, we subtract minus 2 from 1. Students, always remember the distance between 2 points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate, and the distance between any 2 points is an non-negative real number. So distance cannot be negative, it should be always positive. Now we will see the property of betweenness. If P, Q, R are 3 distinct collinear points, then there are 3 possibilities. First possibility, point Q is between P and R. Second, point R is between P and Q. And third, point P is between R and Q. Now for first possibility, if distance PQ plus distance QR equal to distance PR, then it is said that point Q is between P and R. Hence the betweenness is shown as P dash Q dash R. Now we will solve some examples from practice set 1.1. Question number 7. Which figure is formed by 3 non-collinear points? And answer will be triangle. Question number 1. Find the distances with the help of the number line given below. Question number 5. To find distance KO. Now coordinate of point K is minus 3 and that of point O is 0. Now 0 is greater than minus 3. Hence distance KO equal to 0 minus minus 3. So it will be 0 plus 3. So distance KO equal to 3. Question 7 is find distance PJ. Now coordinate of point P is minus 4 and that of point J is minus 2. Now minus 2 is greater than minus 4. Hence distance PJ equal to minus 2 minus minus 4. So it will be minus 2 plus 4. Distance PJ equal to 2. Question number 2. If the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, find distance AB. Now first question, x equal to 1 and y equal to 7. Now 7 is greater than 1, hence distance AB equal to 7 minus 1. Distance AB equal to 6. Question number 6, x equal to 4, y equal to minus 8. Now 4 is greater than minus 8, hence distance AB equal to 4 minus in bracket minus 8. So minus minus will be plus. 4 plus 8. So distance AB equal to 12. Question number 3. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are not collinear, state so. Question number 1. Distance PR equal to 7. Distance PQ equal to 10. Distance QR equal to 3. Now out of these distances, distance PR and distance QR are small. Hence, we'll do their addition. 7 plus 3 equal to 10. Now distance PR plus distance QR equal to 10 equal to distance PQ. Hence, point P, R, Q are collinear and point R lies between points P and Q. Question number 2. Distance RS equal to 8, distance ST equal to 6 and distance RT equal to 4. Now out of these distances, distance ST and distance RT are small. Hence, we'll do their addition. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. But distance RS equal to 8. Hence, distance ST plus distance RT is not equal to distance RS. Hence, point R, S and T are not collinear. Question number 4. On a number line, points A, B and C are such that distance AC equal to 10, distance CB equal to 8. Find distance AB considering all possibilities. Now, we will take first possibility. Point C lies between A and B, that is A dash, C dash and B. Hence, by property of betweenness, distance AB equal to distance AC plus distance CB. Hence, distance AB equal to 10 plus 8 equal to 18. Possibility 2. Point B lies between A and C, that is A dash, B dash, C. Now, distance AB plus distance BC equal to distance AC. Hence, distance AB plus 8 equal to 10. Distance AB equal to 10 minus 8 as we shifted 8 towards the right hand side. Now, distance AB equal to 2.